Hi everyone. Here we are, end of the class and end of our time together. Please accept my sincere gratitude for each and every one of you. It's been a pleasure having you in the class. I think that we've all learned a great deal from one another, and it's been a lot of fun along the way. So I hope that you've enjoyed it as much as I have. I did put in the extra credit points today from the week off. Some of you did take advantage and took the time to engage in the announcement discussion that we had. So thank you for that as well. It was really good. And I did go in and I put in the extra credit for those of you who participated. But what I need from you guys is just to check me on that. So please go in. You'll see that I did add the extra credit where applicable, and I put a note in as well. So if for some reason you don't see your extra credit, remember it was 5 points for the initial post and 5 points if you responded to two classmates. If you only responded to one classmate, I gave you half the credit for that. So just take a look, because I did increase the grades, and I also submitted a note with it. If you see anything, not correct, please let me know. Professors make mistakes too, and I will go in and correct that. So all the other grades are in. You guys did a good job on the finals, and the discussion was great this week. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold off until I either hear from you or not by tomorrow late afternoon, and I will submit these grades to the registrar by Tuesday. So if I don't hear from you by Tuesday, hopefully I didn't make any mistakes on the extra credit input, and we're good to go. So again, thank you all very much. I wish you all the best of luck in your academic journeys going forward. And if you just think back to this class and everything we've learned together, I think you're going to be surprised how much you utilize it going forward. So I know I was when I took this class, and it's really stuck with me ever since. So thank you all again. Wishing you all the best. Take care, you guys.